Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to organize your Google Chrome interface for a smoother, more productive browsing experience. By the end of this video, you'll know how to manage your tabs and windows like a pro, customize your toolbar and new tab page to fit your style, and make the most out of Chrome's side panel features. If your browser ever feels cluttered or overwhelming, stick with me. These tricks will seriously boost your efficiency. Let's jump right in with tab organization. Tabs are usually where the chaos starts, right? If you find yourself buried under a mountain of open sites, here's a game changer: tab groups. To create one, just right-click any tab and choose Add Tab to New Group. You'll be prompted to name the group. Something simple like Work or Shopping can really help you keep things separated. And you can choose a color that makes the group easy to spot at a glance. Think of tab groups like colored folders on your desk. When things are grouped, it's much easier to find what you need. Once you've created a group, you can drag and drop other tabs into it. If you're working on a project with multiple research pages, just round them up under a single colored tag. It's much tidier than having tabs spread all over, and it helps you focus without the mental clutter. Now, let's talk about pinning tabs. If you have websites you always keep open, maybe your email or a music player, try pinning them. Right-click the tab and select Pin. This shrinks the tab down to a small icon on the far left, saving valuable space and preventing you from accidentally closing it. Think of it as keeping your most used tools right at the edge of your workspace. Of course, sometimes you need to shift things around. To rearrange your tabs, just click and drag any tab to a new position in the strip, or even pull it out into a separate window. This might take a few moments if you've got a lot open, but don't worry, Chrome makes the process smooth, and you can always undo any moves if they don't work for you. Removing tabs from a group is just as important as adding them. If you need a specific tab to live outside the group, right-click and select Remove from Group, or just drag it out. This keeps your groups relevant and flexible as your tasks change. And when you're ready to clear out an entire group, it's really simple. Just right-click a tab inside the group and choose Close Group. All those tabs will disappear together, helping you declutter in one click. Don't stress if you accidentally close a group. Chrome lets you restore closed tabs from your history if needed. Moving on to customization. Your toolbar and new tab page are like the front desk of your browser, so let's spruce them up. Click the three dots icon at the top right for More, and head to Settings. Under Appearance, you'll find Customize your toolbar. Here, you can pick which buttons show up. So if you never use the Profile or Extensions button, you can hide them for a cleaner look. Tailoring these controls means less distraction and quicker access to the features you really use. And on the new tab page, look for the Customize Chrome button, usually down in the bottom right corner. Clicking here lets you change the theme and color, or switch on dark mode for those late-night browsing sessions. A personalized new tab page can be a fun little productivity boost, and it just feels good seeing a look that matches your style every time you start browsing. Last but not least, let's talk about the side panel. This tool is great for quick access to bookmarks, reading lists, or even your Google Keep Notes. To adjust where the panel appears, go back to Settings, then Appearance. Under Side Panel, choose the side, left or right, that works best for your workflow. And if you need more room to work with, just drag that border to resize the panel for your needs. It's a small tweak, but it can make a big difference depending on your screen setup. Alright, that wraps up our Chrome organization tips. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or any other Chrome tricks you'd love to see. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on easy tech guides like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and happy browsing!